Okay, it's been a few days later. I don't know how many days later it's been since I last filmed packing, but I thought I would give you an update. I think I have 14 days left to pack. Actually less than that, because we are going to be getting the movers to move us. Pulling up a calendar. We're going to be getting the movers to move us on the 15th. So that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more days to get this house packed up. And then we're actually closing on the 19th. So we have to be officially moved out of here on the 18th. I was listening to music on my phone, but I kept getting phone calls. So I have it on the TV. I'm just listening to like Celtic soothing calm music because I was getting a little worked up, a little stressed out, you know, not bad, just a little bit. Let me flip the camera around and show you where we are currently. I really can't pack any more in here because we do have to get into this area to get that mantle down. I have just been going around taking things off of the wall as I can. And it's going to be really dark in here. Let me turn on a light. We got everything off the wall in Dave's man cave, which was one major room that had tons of things on the wall. Now I am going to have things that I'm going to have to touch up, but we have both decided that we aren't going to kill ourselves covering all the nail holes. We are just going to pick places that are really pronounced. I'll show you an example right here in the kitchen. So yeah, right here we had some hooks hung up, and can you see? Yeah, a wreath hung up there. So big pronounced places like that we're gonna patch, and I do have the touch-up paint for these walls, so we're gonna do that. But I am quickly getting very stressed out about our box situation. As you can see, I have open cabinets in the kitchen. I'm starting to kind of load up some things into boxes. I have used all of my big boxes, and these small boxes I got from Walmart the other day. I have a big stack of them. They're right here. I got 50. This is all I have left, and I have some plastic bins. But guys, I still have the rest of the kitchen to pack up, the bar area to pack up, the front bedroom to pack up. The craft room is going to be insane. I have that whole room to pack up. The movie room is also going to be insane. I have that whole room to pack up. I am not going to have enough boxes. And we've already spent $50 on boxes. I'm definitely not going to have enough packing paper, so I'm going to resort to getting all of my Christmas wrapping paper down and use that as wrapping paper. Packing paper, not wrapping paper, but packing paper. We still have the bathroom and the master bedroom all to pack up too. So yeah, I'm getting pretty stressed out. I'm trying not to be, I'm trying to remain calm, but I'm getting pretty stressed out. So that's my update. Well, I have officially gone over to using Christmas wrapping paper as packing paper, which kind of is cool because when we open a box, it's going to look like we got lots of presents. Yeah, when we're unpacking and we open a box, it's going to just look like we have lots of presents for ourselves. So that'll make it fun. But I did order some packing paper. I did find some on Amazon that was 320 sheets, which is a lot for, I think, $22. And I have been buying it from Lowe's, and at Lowe's you only get 100 sheets per package. And I've been buying 2 packages at a time. I've bought 4 packages total. And it's $17 and some change for 100 sheets. So I've done a lot of packing, but I still have a lot to do. And we only have, let's look at the calendar, 10 days. And We are losing a little bit of time because with us selling this house, we had to set up a time to go into the title office and sign papers. We couldn't find a time, so we're actually having them come here. So we're going to sign papers to sell this house here sometime next week. So we're losing a little bit of time there. We're losing a little bit of time tomorrow because we have an appointment to get our taxes done. So that's going to be hours taken out of our time for that. We also bought tickets to ride and dine on the Mardi Gras float for Universal. Those tickets were bought months ago, so we can't get out of that. We've spent money to do that, so we have to do that. So we're losing a whole evening there. The movers are going to be here on the 15th to move everything to our storage units, which we did get another storage unit today. Dave went this morning before he had to be at work and got another storage unit because the one that we got is not going to be enough space. So we got another one. So everything is pretty much going to be out of the house on the 15th. We're not closing until the 19th. So the 16th, 17th, and 18th gives us time to just wrap up things around here. If we have, nail holes that we have to fill, paint we have to touch up, all that kind of stuff. It'll give us 3 days with the house pretty much empty to get that done. We are going to try to move some of these boxes to the storage unit ourselves because we have a lot. We have all of these boxes over here. I've started stacking up boxes over here, and I'm quickly running out of space to put boxes. I am almost finished with the kitchen. All the cabinets are empty except for this little bit here that I can't fit in those medium boxes that I bought at Walmart. So I'm going to have to figure that out. And then all of these are empty except for this drawer for same reason. These big roasting pans won't fit in those medium boxes. I've got all of the top cabinets emptied except for this one in the corner. So I'm starting on that one next. Most of the drawers are empty. I've just got a few things that we're probably going to have to be using over the next few days. I mean, we still have to eat and all that good stuff. Still have to clear out the pantry. I mean, there's still so much left to do, but I'm trying to remain cool, calm, and collected and not act like a crazy person. But it's difficult. Also, I forgot to mention that the roofers are here. They are repairing the roof right now. They're replacing some shingles, and they are also going to repair the portion in our attic where the wood split. Anyway, that's being done right now. That's the last major thing that we had to have done to this house for the new owners. So that'll be done. It'll be nice to have it done. Wish it didn't cost us $3,000, but it is what it is, right? Well, when you have packed up all of the silverware, because you do plan on going to the grocery store to buy paper plates, paper bowls, and plasticware for the rest of the time here at the house so I can pack up all the dishes, this is what I have had to resort to make my coffee. Cheers. Yep, and this is all I'm running on these days is coffee and fumes. It has been a few days since we last filmed, and I wanted to show you where we're at, end out this video. The next video that I'm going to film, it might not be the next video you see because we've been filming here and there, and I have a lot of videos to edit that I have not had any time to edit at all because of moving out of this house. But the next video I'm going to film is moving day, which is Saturday. Today is Thursday, so I only have one more day to get everything tucked in, tucked out, tucked I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Let me show you what where we are and give you an ending. It's been chaos around here, I tell you. This is where we're at. Now we have moved 3 loads, I believe, to the storage unit. And this is what's left. This is the pile old boxes in Dave's man cave. I don't know if you can see over there. We just kind of started packing it in here to stay out of the way of the front door. Hi. Because all the big furniture, like the couch, our furniture that's in our master bedroom, and the couch that's upstairs is really all that we're moving. Besides, you know, what you see, we're, of course, the kitchen table, dining room table. It's not a kitchen table, dining room table. And everything that's in there, you know, everything that's in that front bedroom is staying. And what I have been working on basically for the rest, for this week, leading up to me turning on the camera, is the upstairs. Let me adjust the lighting. I am officially out of boxes. I have no more boxes. But I really don't have that much left to pack. Most everything is packed. I do have some things that are just like in bins. Things like this. These bags we ordered from Amazon. They are amazing. I highly recommend. I'll leave a link in the description box if you're interested. You got 8 of them for $28. They're waterproof, and I can use them for picnic supplies, carting them back and forth from wherever I do a picnic in my car. So they are going to come in handy. Let me tell you, it is kind of sad to see the craft room like this. The closet is pretty much all cleaned out except for the little poof pillows for picnics. But, yep, this is where I am ending this vlog. The next time you see us, we're going to be moving everything out of here with the movers on Saturday. Now, we're not actually closing until Wednesday the 19th. So, between Sunday, which is the 16th, so Sunday the 16th, Monday the 17th, and Tuesday the 18th, we're going to be coming in and out, patching nail holes. I feel like it's the end of an era. The first house that we owned in Florida is going bye-bye. Going to somebody else to love. I don't know how much they're going to love it though, because they're going to be renting it out. So all of our hard work is going to be destroyed by renters. But that's okay. That's okay. We are excited about the future. We are excited about finding another house, starting a new adventure. And I hope you guys come along for all of that, all those YouTube things. I will see you in the next one.